Welcome to the Luna Language Services Interpreter Portal. We are excited to share with you our scheduling system, which allows us to be more efficient, effective, and gives you better options for invoicing and assignment management, as well as more autonomy as a contractor. As the number of available assignments continues to grow at Luna, we want to provide more convenient options to our interpreters, as well as the benefit of immediate invoicing, less room for error, and the ability to review and download check summaries for your records. Today, we will review how to access the portal, the features of the portal, some troubleshooting tips, and important things to keep in mind when using the portal. Let's get started. You will continue to receive email notifications asking for your availability and informing you of assignments and cancellations, as you already do. Additionally, you will receive email notifications of username and password changes. Please be sure to continue checking your spam folder so you don't miss a communication from the Atrium system. To reach the interpreter portal, use a Google Chrome browser and access goluna360.com and use your username and password to log in. You can go directly to www.goluna360.com to sign into the portal. Once you're granted access to the interpreter portal, you'll be able to use your email address to log in. The email address will be the same one that Luna uses to send appointment requests and confirmations. You'll be provided with a temporary password and prompted to change it when you first log into the portal. After changing your password, you will receive an email with your new password information for your records. Once you have successfully logged into the portal, you will see the tabs My Profile, Calendar, Assigned Jobs, Closed Jobs, My Payments, and Availability. Under the My Profile tab, you'll be able to update contact information and view the assigned languages and certifications. You will also be able to select Allow SMS messages to receive appointment alerts via text message where available. Remember, if you make updates to your contact information, please call the office at 317-341-4137 and inform the scheduling team of your information changes as well, so we're immediately aware and update your other records accordingly. The Calendar tab will show your assigned appointments. There are several options for viewing the calendar, including today, week, working week, and month. You can also use the left and right arrows next to today to toggle back and forth between the time frame selected. For example, if you select week view, the arrow will move week by week. If you select day view, the arrow will move day by day. Once you've been selected for a job, it will show in your Assigned Jobs tab as well as your calendar. If you experience trouble, click the refresh button or sign out and sign back into the portal. Let's review the Assigned Jobs tab. Here, you can see the assignment we just selected. You have a brief summary that includes the job ID, client, which is the requesting entity, date and time of appointment, address location of the appointment, the type of appearance, consumer, and the language appears in the What column. Distance from house will give you a rough estimate of distance based on zip codes, not a precise door-to-door estimate. Please make sure to always look up directions on your own to double-check travel time and distances using Rand McNally Maps or Google Maps. Please note that if you are interpreting as part of the state ASL contract, only Rand McNally calculations will be accepted. Double-click any assignment to open it and view more information, including notes from the scheduling team. While there is an option to cancel the job, this feature will be blocked, so please be sure to call the office if you need to give back an assignment so we can promptly reassign it. Opening the assignment and selecting the Record Time tab will allow you to select Add Task and enter the appointment-specific start and end time, as well as the activity type, which ensures that the accurate rate is recorded for the appointment. You may need to use additional tasks if you have mileage reimbursements. If you need to record appointment time, travel time, and mileage, you will select an additional activity type for each of these options. If this is the case, you may have up to 3 or 4 activities recorded on one assignment. Because each activity type may only be selected once at a time, please be sure you account for round-trip travel time and round-trip mileage within their respective activity types and where appropriate based on your schedule for that day. Please note that travel time and mileage will only be paid with prior approval from Luna. This is not a standard part of every job, so please consult with the coordinating team. When you are actively using the system, please be sure to carefully select the activity type applicable to your language and activities related to the job. Please be sure to attach your encounter forms by clicking Upload Timesheet under the Record Time tab once you've entered the relevant activity type or types. There will be no further need to submit encounter forms via email once you're using the portal for self-reporting. Please continue to send your summary invoice for the entire pay period by the designated due date. If you have any questions, please call our accounting department for further guidance. When all appropriate information is recorded, press Save, and the data will be transmitted to accounts payable for verification. Please note that there may be corrections made by accounts payable based on the rounding rules used by Luna, whether travel time and mileage were previously approved, or other applicable rules governing appointment communication. The deadlines for submission are, as always, the 15th and the last day of each month. If you have questions, feel free to call or email the Luna coordinating and accounting teams. The Closed Jobs tab allows you to review appointments that have the time recorded and reviewed by accounts payable. You are able to search and filter through the search box. You can also sort the records in ascending or descending order based on each heading. Next, let's look at the My Payments tab. Here, you can review the system-generated accounts payable summaries. These may not account for all payments and reimbursements, so be sure to give the office a call if you have any questions. Like other tabs, you are able to search, filter, and sort the information. Double-clicking any entry will provide a PDF document with the complete summary selected. You have the option to save or print the PDF summaries for your records. Details will show job numbers, dates, activity types, language, and the requesting client, shown as customer name, work units, which are the duration of appointments, and lastly, the amount paid for each appointment and a final total. Finally, the Availability tab will allow you to customize the days and times you are generally available for both weekday and weekend times. Furthermore, you'll be able to add days you are specifically unavailable. This is a great place to add dates such as holidays and other days you routinely take off from accepting contract work. Simply add the date, time range, or all day, and then click Save at the bottom of the screen. Keeping your availability updated will ensure that the system appropriately shows the coordinating team that you are accepting jobs when the list of available interpreters is pulled. Please be sure to update your availability and call us for last-minute changes at 317-341-4137. Future updates will include mobile app access with information on the mobile access features. Be sure to check luna360.com and facebook.com/Luna Language Services for updates and the latest information for all interpreters. If you have questions, need support, or troubleshooting, don't hesitate to get in touch. We hope you've enjoyed this, and please take a quick moment to complete our survey.